Welcome to question bank. Today's question is: a composite parallel plate capacitor is made up of two different dielectric materials where K represents the relative permittivity with different thicknesses as shown in the figure. Here is the figure. The two different dielectric materials are separated by a conducting foil F. The voltage of the conducting foil is. Here in this question, this is the one plate and another is one plate. These are two parallel plates or the electrodes of the capacitor, and there are two dielectric materials. One is having K, that is epsilon R, that is relative dielectric constant or relative permittivity, which is equal to 3, and another, this is for 4, and thickness is T1 is given to be 0.5 mm and T2 is given to be 1 mm, and this is the foil. F is the foil which is separating both the dielectrics, and here the supplied voltage is 100 volt. Question is asking what is the voltage or the potential at F. Suppose this one potential between F and the upper plate, suppose this one is V1 and suppose this one is V2. V2 is the potential between the foil, conducting foil, and the lower plate which is connected to the ground. I am assuming this one. So this is nothing but a series connection of the capacitor. Series connection of two capacitors having different dielectric materials. So here, as these are series connected, so we can say that the charge for both the capacitors will be same. As current is same, charge will be same. So Q is the charge which is same for both the capacitors, and I am writing Q is equal to CV, and C1 V1 will be equal to C2 V2, as charge in both the capacitor are same. So here I can write that V2 by V1 will be equal to C1 by C2. This one is the thing. And now, as the capacitor is connected to the 100 volt, I can write also V1 plus V2, that is the summation of the potential difference across both the capacitors will be equal to the source voltage, that is 100 volt. Suppose this one is equation 1. Now what is the formula for capacitance for parallel plate capacitor? Epsilon 0 epsilon R A by D. Suppose this one D1 and this one is epsilon R1. Relative permittivity, and epsilon 0 is the permittivity of air, 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 Faraday per meter. So this is the formula, and C2 will be similarly equal to epsilon 0 epsilon R to A by D2. These are the formula, and now we are applying this one. V2 by V1 will be equal to C1 by C2. When I will put C1 and C2 in this ratio, so what will happen? Epsilon 0 will epsilon naught will be cancelled out in both the equations, and A will also be cancelled out. So there will be only epsilon R1 by epsilon R2 into D2 by D1. This one is the thing. And what are the values given? Here K is given to be 3, 4, and thicknesses are given 0.5 mm and 1 mm. So this will be 3 by 4 into 1 mm by 0.5 mm. Mm are getting cancelled from numerator and denominator, and this will be equal to 3 by 2. So what I am getting? V2 by V1 will be equal to 3 by 2. So here V2 minus 3 by 2 V1 will be equal to 0. Suppose this one is equation 2. Now we have two equations. What are the equations? One is V1 plus V2 is 100 volt and V2 minus 3 by 2 V1 is equal to 0. These are the two equations. We have to solve these equations. Now I am solving here. Suppose write first equation, V1 plus V2 is equal to 100 minus 3 by 2 plus V2 is equal to 0. These are the two equations. If I subtract equation 2 from equation 1, what will happen? This will be plus and this will be minus. So what will happen? This will be V1 into 1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 100, and V1 into 2 plus 3 by 2, this will be 5 by 2 is equal to 100. V1 will be 100 into 2 by 5, this is 40 volt. So what will be V2? V2 will be 100 minus 40 volt, this will be 60 volt. So voltage or potential at the foil will be 60 volt with respect to ground. So this is the end of this question. Thank you for watching up to here. Here answer is the B.